Big Daniel, Import Life Media. All right, you see the title. So therefore, I'm gonna tell you. And to me, it's very, very easy. Yep. How to get sponsorships, endorsements, partnerships, and all that for your car build, your truck, your vehicle, and just help along the way with what your vision is. And a lot of these parts and stuff is expensive. So why not do these couple things to get free parts, half off, whatever it may be. Everybody loves that, right? Either not spending money or spending less money for what it is that is expensive that you're building. So listen closely. I'm gonna tell you right now exactly how to do it and how to get it done. Let's get it.
Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy.
Did you see that?
All right, I'm not the only one that sees it. You know when you see those videos, somebody like, oh, guess what? Special delivery, we just got a package from so-and-so. Or this company delivered some goodies for us. Let's check it out, let's see what it is. And you're watching, you're like, I wish somebody would send me something, you know? I like stuff too. Or you see some of these pictures and also videos on Instagram, you know, TikTok, all these other social media platforms, and they're constantly getting stuff and you're watching their build with whatever it is that they're doing vastly improve, get better. Meanwhile, you're over here working, slaving, trying to save up money. Hopefully life doesn't start lifing. Some random bill comes through, you have a cracked windshield or somebody gets sick, and you know, where is your help when you need some stuff for what you want? Meanwhile, you're spending all kind of money and going broke. So, in my opinion, this is exactly what you have to do to get sponsorships, endorsements, or partnership deals. It's two things, and it's very simple. I'll start off with the first one. Like I said, my opinion, if you guys don't agree with it, think that there's a different route, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe this video. You know what I mean? Tune into my channel. Don't just watch this as one video. Like and subscribe so every single time I drop, you guys are notified. And, you know, check out what I got going on. Controversial. First thing, if you want to get any type of deal, any type of free stuff, you have to be a sexy female. You gotta look good. You know what I mean? And I'm dead serious. You gotta be attractive. The reason why I say that, these companies don't go after just normal, regular people. If you ever want to talk to them about possibly, you know, sponsoring your ride and helping you out, they first want to know, what type of influence do you have? How many followers do you have? How many videos are you making? How many pictures are you taking? And that's crazy because it's not about you and your love for what you're doing and this vision that you have for your build and needing help along the way. It's all about numbers with them. Now, typically it makes sense because nobody's just gonna give anything out for free. But if somebody has 500, 1,000 followers, yeah, companies might question it because they're not gonna, what is their get back? What are they getting in return? But if somebody has 200,000 followers, 60,000 followers, they might be like, yeah, go ahead, here. But make sure you take pictures and videos of our product. So while yes, the product is getting exposure, most of these females have hundreds of thousands of followers, whether they're car guys or not. If there's some female wearing, you know what I mean, some spandex, look at this turbo that Precision sent me. Look at these tires from Continental, all these products. Nobody is really inclined to go buy these products. They're looking at the sexiness behind it. That's how they have so many subscribers and followers from the beginning. It wasn't to sell any type of car parts. It wasn't to check this girl out to see what product is she standing behind. It's not about that. So in my opinion, these car parts builders and what have you, they're connecting themselves to the wrong people. Is this person influential? Possibly. Does this person have a lot of followers? Most definitely. But at the same time, people can also buy followers. You know what I mean? Buy subscribers. How does somebody have 100,000 followers, but on every picture, it's only like 30 comments? The math ain't mathing. Why is it on certain videos, out of these 100,000 subscribers, maybe like it's getting viewed 800 times? The math ain't mathing. If you read a lot of the comments, none of it is about the product. It's about, hey, beautiful, fire emojis, you're sexy. Hey, what city do you live in, this and that? Has nothing to do with the product at all. Has to do with the girl. So to me, the number one thing that you could do with sponsorships, partnerships, you gotta have a lot of followers, but a lot of them is just based off of females. Go check it out. Go check a lot of these pages and stuff and you'll see it's the same thing. The second way to get endorsements, partnerships, or sponsors, and it sucks because the job is already done, is when you already have your build done. A lot of traffic comes from your car or truck or whatever being nice. And yeah, you're taking the photos and coming up with these reels and everything surrounding your build. But everybody enjoys good quality vehicle. Everybody enjoys something outrageous that was done. You made a front wheel drive and all wheel drive car and now it's killing everybody. You know, there's so many different types of builds out there that gain traffic in terms of everybody's attention. When these sponsors want to jump in like, hey, we got a product for you. We'll love for you to try it out. We'll love for you to put this on your car. By that time, your build is already done. So why is it now you guys want to come in and help out when you guys weren't even around from the beginning? Now, if my build is done, I don't even need your parts. What am I supposed to do? Go buy another vehicle and put just this part on there because you guys want to help me out? You guys want to give me something? It doesn't make sense. So that's what I'm saying. A lot of this is backwards because you want help, you need help, but either you have to be some sexified female, or if you took the time to build something over the next, couple years or however long it may take, whatever your project is, by the time it's done, now people want to jump on the bandwagon and be a part of what you put your blood, sweat, and tears into. I don't think that's fair. And I see it happen all the time. I see people that they get things given to them and they don't really know what they're doing. Are they really enthusiasts? Do they really like car culture, or do they just like having a cool car and the attention that it gets them? Do people really know how to work on their own vehicle, and are they really willing to get dirty, or do they just want to be cute, have free stuff, and now it's another photo op? Now it's another cute little video that I can do, There's people out there that really need help, are really passionate about this and been involved in it for years, and they get avoided, brushed under the rug. And it sucks. You know what I mean? To me, I think should happen is, if you have a love for this and you're really involved, if you reach out to these, manufacturers of whatever it may be, whether it's coilovers, rims, whether it's turbos, superchargers, whatever it may be, tires, it could be, your interior, your seats, whatever it may be. I want a company that's willing to have my back from the start. Not because of my followers and everything like that. I want a company that has my back from the start, because if I can spend money to buy parts with no help from anybody, wouldn't it kind of be beneficial for a company to be like, you know what, you're gonna spend money on us, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go ahead and give you a percentage off or help you out with this, or we'll go ahead and ship this to you. But with that, give us some exposure. You know what I mean? We'll scratch your back, you scratch ours. It's a symbiotic relationship. Why would I want to even take pictures of my vehicle with certain parts on it with another company's name? That's free exposure. That's free promotion. That's free marketing for them. You're getting nothing back. But when you do say, hey, is it cool if, we can reach some type of deal? Can we connect with each other? They look at your followers and like, yeah, I think we'll pass. That's disheartening. It sucks. And I think it should be the other way around. For people that are really about this life and have love for it, be involved with the people, with the community from the ground up. That's how most anything is built. I built this company from the ground up, this and that. Money's money, but tap back into the people, tap back into the culture and have their back. And most definitely, the people in the community will speak up and they'll have your back. Yeah, in my opinion, I see that all day. Some people might not agree with me. It might piss you off a little bit. Hell, with either a sexified, super Instagram model or somebody that already have the car built, it seems like they want to already piggyback the people that are established and already well known, even though nobody is going to their page or their channel for the product. It's going for them. And even when they go to promote something, nobody cares about that. And meanwhile, all the little people are wondering, how can I be a part of that? How can I get involved? How come nobody picks me? It's just like a game of dodgeball, a game of basketball. It always sucks being left out or being the last person picked because they kind of see you as being not as valuable. Oh, let me know what you guys think, man. Leave a comment in the comment section on whether you agree with me, whether you've seen it yourself or disagree, and why. Anytime you leave a comment, I always respond back. All right? If you haven't done so yet, follow me on IG at Import Life Media. And always, please stay blessed and enjoy your build, enjoy your rides, and keep them clean. All right? Till next time. Peace, y'all.